In this video we're just going to add some brief comments to our code. It's getting a little large and cumbersome now, and in a couple of weeks time when I come back and have a look at my code I might not remember why or what I did. So I'm going to add some comments. I'm just going to do brief comments. You can make longer comments. Make them so that you understand what is going on. So this one here, this block of code is called setting up the game. We're setting up the variables to begin the game. So if I right click on me block, there we go, took a while. I can choose add comment. And a little box window opens up where you can add a comment. So I'm going to put set up game. Now the comment is a little large at the moment. It's blocking the rest of my code. I can just press this little arrow facing down and it just makes a comment at the side. Anytime I want to see what I've said, I can click on the arrow. It opens up, so I've got some more information. You should make comments. It's good practice to do that. So I'm going to try to do comments on as much code as I can. Not every single thing, but certainly the if blocks I'm going to do. So click on the block that you're interested in. I'm going to click on this if block. I'm going to right click on the if block and click add a comment. Now what this block here is doing is it's moving the player right. So I can put my comment in there, moving the player right. Now we can't see that at the moment. Let's move that back into here. And when I click on the arrow, it just gives me a comment for that if block. Let's do the same with this one. This one is moving the player left. And again with this one, right click, add a comment, moving player up. And this one, doesn't matter where in this orange you click, as long as you right click on the orange to get the add comment. If you accidentally clicked on the blue, then you'd be adding a comment to the blue section. If you were adding a comment, or if you clicked on the orange, you'd be adding a comment there. So this one is move player down. Let's do this one. So we've got my 4 movements, and then I can say something about this block. So if I add a comment on here, if touching the maze, send back to start. There we go. And there's my comment. So let's move that out again. What I am going to do is put a comment on this speed. Not all of them. I'm going to do these two. So hover my mouse over the orange speed, right click, add a comment. Changes the speed of the character, and I'm going to do one on this green block. So right click, add comment. Notice that the color of the comment blocks are the same as the one that you click on. So if I clicked on this change X, it would be blue. It's just a hint to let you know that you've clicked on the right thing. So click on add comment. Multiply by -1 to get the negative value. So there we go. I have commented my code. What I want you to do is comment all your code, or as much. Oh, I made a spelling mistake there. Can you see that? Changes, not changes. So changes. I can go back and edit it. There we go, and add comments to all of your code, You can move it around, the comments stay with the code. Save your work, and in the next video what we're going to do is start thinking about different mazes. Okay, so I'll show you quickly how to do that, and I think we're then ready to have a real good game.